To optimize energy use during peak hours, a thermostat can be a powerful tool. First, understanding peak hours is crucial. These are typically periods when electricity demand is highest, such as mid-morning or late afternoon. By adjusting your thermostat to be more efficient during these times, you can lower both your energy consumption and cost. One of the best methods is to pre-cool or preheat your home before peak hours arrive. Smart thermostats can be programmed to adjust the temperature in advance, ensuring that your home is comfortable when you need it, without drawing excessive energy during peak periods. For example, during summer, you can cool your home in the early morning, so it remains comfortable throughout the day without the need for high energy usage during peak cooling hours. Many smart thermostats also offer features like geofencing, which detects when you're away from home. This allows the thermostat to adjust the temperature when you're not around, saving energy by running less frequently during peak demand times. Another method is to participate in demand response programs, where your utility company may offer incentives for reducing energy consumption during peak periods. Some smart thermostats can automatically adjust settings to comply with these programs, lowering your energy use during the most expensive times. Additionally, setting your thermostat a few degrees higher in the summer or lower in the winter during peak hours can make a significant difference. Even small adjustments can help reduce energy consumption and prevent unnecessary strain on the grid.